This kit has been kindly supplied to me by Fanhome. If you'd like to build your own, there's a link in the description below. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 58 of building Marvel's Infinity Gauntlet, the 1:1 scale replica of Thanos' left hand. So in this issue we've got the penultimate part of the middle finger. So we'll get to that in a moment after glancing through the magazine. Deadpool team up. I like Deadpool. They're nicely irrelevant. So yeah, there we go. Feel free to pause and look at all the words on the pages, or just look at the pretty pictures like me. The build, yeah, we're doing much the same as last time, but on the middle chunk of the finger. Easy, won't take very long. First we're going to look more at Deadpool, obviously focusing on a character. I like focusing on a character in an episode. That's quite cool. And if you've got an interest in that character, you just go back to that volume and read it. If you don't, then you can just skip over it. They should have done the guy that designed Deadpool, but they didn't. Looking at Rob, I don't know who he is. Here we go. Right, let's clear this out of the way. Let's get the middle of this finger put together. So here we have it, the big metal middle piece, the plastic cover that goes over the screw hole. More screws, which I won't be using because we've got these ones open from last time. So this is going to go onto the central section there. Obviously, you just need to get the right way round, so the curvy bit goes downwards. That will sit over there and line up properly, if I can get it in the right place. Yeah. That feels like that's about the right place. It's got a cover over there, so yeah, that will do that. So the screw will drop into that hole, and then that should be lining up with the hole in the inside, which it's screwing into something, so it's got to be the right place, isn't it? Get that in there, and that up all of the way. Feel it sort of seating down the metal around the outside. So that is that. Then we have that all moving again. Making a clicking. Oh, that's the secondary plate that's sort of bent and moves on its own. So there we go. That's that. So we've got one more of these to pop in place. Does it matter which way round it goes? It doesn't look like it does, because it looks like it's the same both ways round. So there we have that, covering over that and joining up the biggest part of the finger. No, the bottom part is bigger. So there we go. Another one done. Almost there. One more to go. That will be next time, and then we'll be finishing another finger. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. I shall see you soon for that. Bye bye for now.